Morning viewers, look at how peaceful it looks here on this beach in Memory Cove. Wow, let me tell you, what a night viewers. Whoa, it has been blowing a gale the whole night, and even now the wind will pick up and it's just like, I can't believe anything is still standing around here. Anyway, I went to bed probably about 8:30, 10:30. Oh, the ground here is rock hard, so I couldn't peg anything in. So I've had to tie my awning down with a bucket of water there, and this one, gas bottle and a big rock. And of course I couldn't peg me swag down either, so this one I've got tied to the water carrier, the jerry can holder, and this end I had this one tied around this pole here. Well, about fucking 10 o'clock or 10:30 last night, I hear this bang, and fucking what had happened was this pole here, this side pole, had come out of there, and the awning lifted up and the rock flew away, or it didn't fly away, the rock fell off. So I tried setting it all back up again, and with the swag being tied to this pole here, it's bent it very, very slightly, but slightly enough that I couldn't, because I had the awning set up at about head height. So I thought if I put it down as low as it'll go, it'll help with the wind. I couldn't put it down because the pole was bent. So I'm putting all my weight on it, and I'm pulling, and I got it down to the bottom, put the rock back on the jerry can, and went back to bed. And all night, I've hardly slept, eh? All night it's been pissing down with rain and wind blowing, wind howling. You might be able to hear that now. Well, 20 to 6 this morning, another bang! And this pole here was bent worse than that. It was bent like a banana. And my bloody awning's flapping about, and I'm in there getting hammered by my awning, and I fucking jump up and it's raining, and couldn't find me thongs. I thought, oh fuck, some fucking animal stolen me thongs, and running around trying to find them, couldn't find them. Me brand new thongs. So I'm running around in bare feet, getting fucking dirty feet, and trying to set up this awning, trying to bend this pole back. I actually had it bent quite straight, now it's bent again. Anyway, got it all set up, but my awning's pretty well fucked now. I'm not going to be able to see this pole here. This one slides into this pole, and that's how you pack it up. Well, I'm not going to be able to slide that in because it's bent. So I'm actually going to have to take that pole off from there, and just have, well, that I can't even have my awning up head height anymore. It's going to have to be this height permanently now because of that pole. For the rest of the trip, just going to have 3 poles on it, and hopefully, oh, it's just going to flap around like a bitch, isn't it, without that pole? Oh, I'll sort something out, viewers, but oh my god, what a night. Hardly slept, and as I said, I'm surprised any of these trees are standing. It was just blowing a fucking gale. Anyway, I'm going to see what I can do with this thing and see if there's any more damage done to it. Well, I hope you had a better night than me, viewers, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.